What is the best way I can track the performance of my Amazon PPC campaigns? So really important is when it comes down to tracking the performance is easiest way and cleanest way is you can track performance on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly, and a quarterly basis. And the way how we would be doing this is even in the simplest way possible. It's more manual process, but you would just copy the data for costs, CPC, spend, sales, orders. These are the few metrics that are really important. You would just copy that into a spreadsheet, and then on a daily basis you can keep evidence of that, and on a weekly basis you can keep evidence, and then also on a monthly basis. Really important for you to have that data accurate is going to be to allow attribution. Attribution is something that most people miss. It's really important. By attribution, what I mean is that the ad console, this is not only on Amazon, but majority of the ad consoles are lagging data, so it's not real-time data. This is why, for example, when you would be logging in today, you're going to see something else than if you're logging in 2 days. So we would allow at least 2 business days data to make sure that the data that we're going to collect today is accurate. Clear example, whenever we're providing weekly reports, we're not providing them on Monday, for example. We're providing them on Wednesday because the way how we are structuring the date that we are pulling the reports for is from Monday to Sunday. And then on Wednesday, we would have the most accurate data. Of course, this can go up to even more days, until you have even more accurate data. But giving away that 2 days for attribution, that's going to be helpful.